What basic maintenance does a robot vacuum need?
Routine maintenance helps your robot vacuum work efficiently and last longer. The main tasks include emptying the dustbin after each use, wiping off sensors, and checking for trapped hair or debris in the brushes. These simple habits reduce the chance of malfunctions and help your vacuum clean your home more effectively day after day.
How often should you clean the brushes and filters?
Brushes and filters should be checked and cleaned at least once a week or more often if you have pets or lots of dust. Removing tangled hair from brushes keeps them spinning freely. Gently tapping or rinsing filters prevents clogs, ensuring strong suction and clean air from your robot vacuum.
What about the sensors and charging contacts?
To keep your robot navigating well, regularly wipe sensors and charging contacts with a dry or slightly damp cloth. Dusty or dirty sensors can cause navigation errors, while buildup on the charging contacts may prevent your robot from recharging properly. Keeping these components clean ensures reliable operation and consistent cleaning performance.
When should you replace parts?
Brushes, filters, and batteries wear out over time. Most manufacturers recommend replacing filters every 2 to 3 months and brushes every 6 to 12 months, depending on use. If your battery holds less charge, consider replacing it according to your vacuum's guidelines. Timely replacements keep your robot operating at its best.
Are software updates and storage important?
Yes. Regularly check for software updates through the companion app to improve efficiency and fix bugs. When storing your robot for long periods, clean it thoroughly and remove the battery if recommended. Store it in a cool, dry place to prevent damage. Proper storage and updates protect your investment and keep your vacuum working smoothly.